Hi everybody, how's everyone doing today? I'm gonna make a tile here today. I'm actually gonna try some Christmas colors. So I've got some greens, some reds, I got some gold, and some white. And I was feeling like Christmas is right around the corner, so I thought I would go ahead and make some coasters. And we will see how they come out. The colors I have today are Liquitex Basics Pthalo Green, Artist's Loft Sap Green, Artist's Loft Crimson, and Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Medium Hue, and then Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat Gold Metallic, and then some Amsterdam Titanium White. And I'm also going to use that as a cell activator today. So let's see what we get. I just thought I'd come on and do a quick video. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, anything like that, go ahead and leave them down in the box below, in the comment box. I appreciate it. And at the end, if you liked the video, I appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button. And also subscribe to my new channel here on YouTube. And hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload any new videos. Okay, so here we go. My first color I'm going to put down is Artist Loft Sap Green. I'm going to put it on this tile here. I have a 4 1/4 inch white ceramic tile. I'm just kind of winging it here. I have something kind of in mind, but we'll see what happens. I did a similar painting the other day, but I did it on a larger tile. It was a long tile. I think it was like, 4 by 12 or something like that. But I did not do a video of it. I wish I had, because it came out really pretty. So I'm going to try to kind of duplicate something like that today. Of course, we know you can never duplicate because no two ever come out exactly the same. But we'll see what we get. The next color I'm going to use Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Medium Hue. I'm going to put down a little bit of titanium white here that I mixed up in a cup. I need to mix up some more paints. My paints are running a little bit on the low side. I have Liquitex Basics Pthalo Green next. I'm going to put that down here on top of the white. Just going to tilt this a little bit, get it a little more centered. Okay, and Artist Loft Crimson will be next. And then I'm going to do 24 karat Gold Metallic by Deco Art. Okay, and then I am going to put a little bit of the cell activator I have here. Just have to give it a quick stir. This is white titanium. Oh, I'm sorry, Titanium White by Amsterdam. Excuse my head for a moment while I blow on it. Well, let that sit a minute. I'm just gonna dab a little bit here, cover the edges and the corners. Just using my finger, just to make sure it reaches all the way over to the edge. Looks pretty good. Oh, pardon me. All right, so we've got some good lacing and things going on here. It's pretty. A little more white in the center than I would have liked. Maybe I might try and blow some more of that out. I'm just gonna let it sit a minute and see what happens. Boy, where'd all the green go? I have a little green underneath here. I think I am gonna blow a little more and see if I can get some of that green to come up. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is looking better. Okay, that's cool. Very pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I know, I need to stop blowing. Sometimes I get a little carried away. It's pretty though. A little bit of cells, not a ton, but that's okay. I wasn't actually really going for a ton of cells, so that's fine by me. Yeah, I couldn't resist just one more time. I just love the way the gold is mixing in really pretty with the green and red over here. I'm gonna spin this a little bit. I have it on my, this is a cake spinner. And I just have a cup here sitting underneath the tile. Okay, give it a little spin. I don't want to spin too hard on this one, I don't think. I like this design, it's pretty. But I do want to get a little bit of the excess off. Oh, it looks really pretty. So, my idea was, I'm going to go ahead and take my, where is it? I had a skewer here, big wooden skewer, kind of like a toothpick. And I'm just going to put some designs in it. So whatever I feel like, nothing specific. Just to add a little different look to it. It looks pretty. Ooh, that was a wide one. Oh, this looks really nice. I like it. It's very festive. The gold and the white red, and well, two colors of red, two colors of green, kind of like a darker and a lighter of each, and then some gold and white. And they play very nicely together. It looks really good. Very pretty. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like it. I'm just gonna wipe off any excess underneath here using my hand. And just wipe it off and all is good. Okay, so once this dries, like I said, I'm gonna make a set of these. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. It's like an engine enamel spray that I use. I don't resin the coasters. If you'd like more information on that, leave me a message down below and I can help you out with that. Let me just take down the phone. I'll give you a close-up of what this looks like. Okay, guys, here's our close-up. It has a lot of gold sparkle to it. It's really pretty. Okay, so there we go for today. This is one of my Christmas coasters. Like I said, I'm going to make a set of 4 of these. And they'll be on my website if you're interested in purchasing them, excuse me. Okay, so my website is pizzazstudios.com. That also is listed down in the description box. Okay, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.